Good morning, everyone. Here we start Chapter 1 of Geography Environment of Class 7th. The Earth is a unique and fascinating planet. It is the only planet known to us which support all forms of life. It has a rich environment which include the land in which we live, water that we drink and the air we breathe. The sum total of our surrounding and their condition is known as our environment. Environment refers to all the external conditions in which an organism lives. The word environment is derived from the French word environner, which means to surround. It is used to describe everything like places, things, people, nature, etc. It also includes things created by human beings. The study of geography deals with the various components of the environment. It also studies the interrelationship between human beings and their environment. On the basis of origin, the geographical element can be broadly classified into two groups: natural elements and man-made elements. Natural elements. The natural elements are those that are created by nature, for example, mountains, river, vegetation, animals, etc. This is called natural element. Natural environment includes both the biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. We have already learned that the natural environment consisting of the four major domains of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Let us revise our knowledge of the same. Lithosphere. The rocky and solid outermost layer of the earth is called the lithosphere. The term lithosphere means rocky crust. Hydrosphere. The realm of the earth consisting of water, liquid or solid, including groundwater, is called hydrosphere. Atmosphere. The mixture of the gases which envelops the earth is called the atmosphere. It is a thin layer of air surrounding the earth. It comprises of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. Biosphere. All these three spheres, that is the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, meet form a narrow zone of interaction which support life. This is called the biosphere. Ecosystem. All living beings, be it plant, animals or human beings, depend on their immediate surrounding for survival, and quite often they depend upon one another as well. Besides, they also interact with their physical environment. This complex system of interdependence is known as ecosystem. The size of an ecosystem may be as large as like a rainforest, ocean and mountains, or as small as a pond. Most of these ecosystems are complex and may contain thousands of species. Now we are going to learn about the human environment. Man-made environment. Human beings are also part of the environment in which they live. They are also influenced by the environment. But with scientific and technological advancement, they have succeeded in controlling and dominating the nature and are able to modify the environment as per their needs. Man-made elements. Man-made elements include agriculture, industries, settlements, means of transport, etc. These environments are created by human beings. Therefore, they are called man-made environment. Human beings develop these features for a comfortable living in their environment. The two types of environments interact with one another. They keep on changing from time to time and place to place. These changes take place due to various natural processes and human activities. Role of human beings in molding the environment. Early human beings adjusted themselves to the surroundings in which they live. Most of their needs were fulfilled from the environmental resources. With the passage of time, quality and quantity of their needs change. Environmental pollution. With the development in science and technology, cutting of trees, pollution has reached an alarming heights all over the world. As a result of unplanned and unwise use of technology, environment pollution has increased everywhere. A perfect balance is needed between the natural and human environment. A number of organizations all over the world are working to solve the environmental problems being faced by the world. All of us should understand the importance of environment and should learn to live and use the environment in a harmonious way. Only then the balance of nature can be maintained. Thank you.